The job description of product owner involves a unique blend of responsibilities that are both strategic and hands-on. Product owners serve as a key link between stakeholders, customers, and the development team. They are responsible for making sure the product delivers maximum value to the business and meets the needs of its users. The product owner plays a central role in the Agile framework, acting as the voice of the customer and guiding the team toward delivering a product that successfully solves real-world problems. This role is a delicate balance of understanding business goals, market trends, and customer needs while also having a deep understanding of technology and software delivery. Product owners must be able to translate their knowledge into clear priorities, well-articulated requirements, and actionable stories for the development team. They are empowered to make decisions about what gets implemented and when, making sure the team focuses on delivering the highest value functionality first. Primary responsibilities of a product owner. The main responsibilities within the job description of product owner center on owning and managing the product backlog. The product backlog is a dynamic, prioritized list of all the features, bug fixes, and improvements required to maximize the product's value. It guides the team's delivery and evolves over time in response to changing priorities, feedback, and market conditions. One of the product owner's key responsibilities is to collaborate closely with stakeholders, including customers, business leaders, designers, and engineers, to gather requirements and clarify priorities. The product owner must absorb all this input and translate it into clear and actionable user stories that the team can implement. Each user story should be well defined, with clear acceptance criteria and a description of its intended business value. Managing priorities is a crucial part of the product owner's role. There are often more requests for new features or fixes than there are resources to implement them. The product owner must weigh these requests against factors such as return on investment, customer satisfaction, technical effort, and urgency to maximize the product backlog's value delivery. During sprint planning sessions, the product owner collaborates with the team to select which user stories to implement in the next sprint. They clarify requirements, resolve questions, and provide context to help the team accurately estimate effort and produce a realistic delivery plan. The product owner is also responsible for validating the team's output against the acceptance criteria and business goals. After a user story is implemented, the product owner reviews it to make sure it meets all conditions of satisfaction and adds the intended value. If something falls short, it's the product owner's role to provide feedback and guide the team toward resolution. Another key responsibility is acting as the main point of contact for stakeholders and the team. The product owner must keep stakeholders informed about progress, timelines, and delivery estimates and handle questions or disputes about priorities. Clear, consistent communication is essential to align everyone's understanding of goals and progress. Essential skills and qualities for the role. To be a successful product owner, a unique blend of hard and soft skills is required. Communication stands at the center of this role. A product owner must convey goals, priorities, and requirements to a range of stakeholders, from software engineers to business executives. Decision-making is another key competency. Product owners frequently face conflicting priorities and must be able to make tough choices quickly and decisively, putting the product's goals first and ignoring distractions that undermine its success. Collaboration is essential in a product owner's daily responsibilities. They must work effectively with a cross-functional team, including designers, engineers, analysts, and marketers, and act as a conduit for their perspectives while retaining final decision-making power. Business acumen is a valuable asset. Product owners need a deep understanding of their company's goals, their market, their customers' needs, and how their product fits into this context. The ability to align product decisions with broader business priorities is a key indicator of a product owner's maturity and judgment. Technical understanding is helpful, although product owners are not expected to be engineers. Nevertheless, having a strong understanding of technology, software delivery practices, and architectural implications lets product owners communicate more effectively with their team and appreciate the effort and complexity involved in delivering a feature. Adaptability and problem-solving skills are equally important. The product owner must be able to respond quickly to changing conditions, whether it's a shift in market conditions, a change in priorities from stakeholders, or a roadblock faced by the delivery team, and find solutions that keep delivery on track. Work environment and challenges. Product owners typically work in collaborative, cross-functional teams alongside designers, engineers, analysts, and stakeholders. Although their responsibilities can sometimes take them away from their desks, for meetings with stakeholders, customer sessions, or sprint reviews, much of their day is spent refining backlogs, writing user stories, and interacting with team members. The role can be challenging. Product owners often face competing priorities and must resolve disputes or differences in opinion about what's most important. They have ultimate responsibility for delivery priorities, which can put them under pressure from stakeholders who want their requests addressed immediately. Managing this pressure gracefully, while staying true to the product's goals and roadmapping, is a key challenge for product owners. It's a role that requires a thick skin, strong interpersonal skills, and the ability to say no when necessary, all while keeping stakeholders aligned and motivated. Furthermore, product owners must be comfortable navigating uncertainty. Product roadmapping is inherently iterative, and requirements may evolve based on market conditions, customer feedback, or internal priorities. Product owners need to be flexible, adaptable, and able to reassess and revise their priorities quickly. Educational requirements and training. Most product owner roles require at least a bachelor's degree, typically in a discipline related to business, technology, or product development. However, a degree is not always necessary if a candidate has extensive experience in software delivery, strong business knowledge, and demonstrated ability to prioritize and communicate effectively. Certifications can be helpful in validating knowledge of agile practices and product owner responsibilities. The most recognized certifications include CSPO, Certified Scrum Product Owner, PSPO, Professional Scrum Product Owner, and Safe Product Owner certifications. Completing these certifications signals a deep understanding of the product owner role and the Agile framework. Some organizations sponsor training or education for product owners to help them stay up to date with industry trends and best practices. Continuous learning, through books, workshops, webinars, and conferences, is strongly encouraged in this role. Conclusion. The job description of product owner highlights a role that is challenging, rewarding, and profoundly important to a product's success. Product owners maximize value delivery by focusing their team's efforts on the highest priority, highest impact features and guiding their delivery from concept through release. This role calls for a unique blend of communication, decision-making, adaptability, and collaboration. Product owners must navigate competing priorities, resolve disputes, respond quickly to changing conditions, and continually reassess their product backlog to reflect what matters most. Ultimately, product owners act as the voice of the customer within their team, shaping products to meet their needs and drive business goals forward. The job description of product owner underscores the key role this person plays in turning a product's potential into reality, delivering value to both the business and its customers.